Hello everybody, this video is about Jewel which is at Changi airport at Singapore. Who could imagine an indoor waterfall at an airport? The entry to Jewel is from the public area and it does not require to go through any airport security. The center of the Jewel has a rain vortex surrounded by forest valley, and on the outer side you have the shopping malls and the eateries. We visited in November and as you can see already the Christmas preparation had begun. Jewel has 10 floors in total, 5 below the ground and 5 above. You can get different view of the rain vortex from every floor. You can also view the rain vortex through the monorail which runs freely between Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. People from all across the world come to Changi airport just to get a view of the Jewel. Do add this place to your travel bucket list. Thank you.